Hey, this is what's new in the new Placemark Globe release. So there are two main things. First, I think you could call this the islands release. So a lot of countries in the world, they have islands or little disconnected bits of land. And previously, these were all created as one polygon. And this made it a little bit confusing if you were to select a country and it would style all of the islands and little disconnected bits of land that country either owns or has as colonies or former colonies due to history. So in order to make this a little bit simpler, the new release actually creates groups. And so now when you have a country that has islands, there's a group with a bunch of polygons, and it's pretty easy to style something like just the continental United States. So the second part is style improvements. Countries now have a shared style by default, which makes it a lot easier to style the map when you're starting out. And then you can just disconnect one country if you want to style it differently. There are also a bunch of small little tweaks to this style to just make it look nicer as a starting style. But I know Figma people, y'all are going to make the globe look a lot better by customizing it. So keep doing that. That's about it in this release. Enjoy.